Hi guys! To create a new Telegram account you need to receive SMS, but there is not necessary to receive this SMS to your private phone number. In this video I'm going to show you a couple of alternative methods how to register a Telegram account. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. So, method number one is just receive SMS online. To do this, open any web browser and Google for something like receive SMS online for free, and let's see what they have here. Text me, some websites. I used this one, for example. Let's go there. Find your country or some other country. Now open this phone number. Let's copy. You need just click to copy. It's copied already. Now let's go back to Telegram, start messaging. Allow to receive calls, continue. Now tap and hold to paste the number and tap on the next arrow, confirm your number, allow to read the call logs. Okay, no problem. Too many attempts, please try again later. The problem with free numbers is that they've been registered in Telegram many times before, so you will either have to spend a lot of time finding an available free number or pay a provider to get fresh ones. An alternative option is to simply buy the cheapest SIM card you won't be using and link your Telegram account to that number. Keep the card with you or just throw it away. So that's what I did. I have new SIM card in this phone, or rather not new. I already have the Telegram account linked to this number, but you can simply buy new SIM card and create an account. Just like I'm doing now. Now tap on next, tap on yes. The code will come automatically. Allow to send notifications if you need, and that's pretty it, guys. But also keep in mind that a temporary number comes with the risk of losing your account. In the future, you will need to receive a verification code to log in from new devices. And if you lose the only device where you logged into Telegram, recovering your account will be very difficult, if not impossible. At least I haven't had that experience. In any case, after registering, link your account to an email and enable two-step verification. You can do this in settings. Go to settings and find privacy and security, two-step verification, enable it for to keep your account secured and to have a possibility to restore it via support. So that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.